It's just a quick recording working with the history menu, and there are some history segments saved, but this time the play button doesn't make the segments replay. The manual setting works. If I adjust the rotary control, you can see we're controlling the segment display. As I've discovered, the overlay function still doesn't overlay, and what I noticed before was sometimes when you pressed the play button, it would enable the segments to overlay, and then once you'd pressed the play button, stopped it, the manual control would show the segment overlays. But this time, if I press the play button, nothing happens. So I can manually, that's me manually sliding the slider, but the play button is completely unresponsive.